if it was the 29th of October 1985, there was someone looking forward to the release of this Tamiya Fox. This Tamiya Fox, an original, is not like the other Tamiya Foxes because it has the iconic Hornet body shell. And I think that jazzes it up a little bit, you know. Let's see how it goes. It would be a pretty amazing Hornet for back in the day, wouldn't it? Now, obviously, it's not easy. I've got an old Techniplus AP227, and I'm trying to drive, but I don't have free hands, believe it or not. So I'm trying to do the phone and the sticks all at the same time. Let's see what we can do. Oh, we've got a bit of steering. Okay. Oh yes, there it is. It's not easy. And as you can see, the body is held on with a very vintage traditional rubber band in the colour of pink, of course. Because back in the day, you'd hold your body on in any way possible. And you used to just enjoy driving around at, well, I'm saying this is probably 8 miles an hour with its old silver can. This is an original car. It's all original. Let me look at the rust on that motor. You know, this is old. And it's cool. And it's still fun to drive. We are not going to win any speed runs with this bad boy. Oh, but what fun it is. Come back 1985. I think Bowling for Soup sang about that, didn't they? Right, signing off.